Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara and today we are in Golfview Estate Githigiri. A few days ago, I was having a meeting with my friends and we were discussing why Thika Road is very desirable. One of them said it's about the climate. And another interjected and said, if it's about the climate, then we have so many other areas in Kenya which have better climate. A few minutes later, another one said it's about the roads and the local development. And so I thought, Mombasa Road should be more desirable. You guys have the expressway of which you have to pay rent to pass through. So after a heated debate, we all agreed that the only reason why an area becomes so desirable is the preferences of you guys and the comfort that you get from living in that area. Enough with my nonsense. Let's jump to the business of the day. And by the way, the meeting was between me, myself, and I. I'm actually very disappointed. Even my cameraman did not attend. What a shame. Behind me is a 4-bedroom, all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 365 square meters. The price of this home is 25 million and the home is built on a 75 by 100 acre lot. This home comes with a 3-car parking, but if you have more than 3 cars, you have an extra space on this other side. On my left-hand side, the home comes with a front yard that can be used as a gazebo or a kids' play area. This front yard extends to the back of this home. On the other side, you have this greenery that extends to the kitchen garden. Before I take you inside, I want you to take a minute and have a keen look at this grand foyer. It's palatial, it looks beautiful, and it's very, very welcoming. Come with me. From the main entrance, you are welcomed by this walkway that takes you to the living room, the kitchen, or the staircase that leads you upstairs. This living room is big, and it comes with these 4 big windows that sets maximum natural light to this living room. It gives this living room an outdoor-indoor environment. On my left-hand side, you have this molded wall that acts as the prime focus of this room. And the space is big enough to fit your flat screen TV, and it comes with intercom and internet ready. The dining room of this home is here, but before I show you that, I want you to take a look at this octagonal gypsum ceiling molding. It's very, very well done. Let me show you the lighting. You have the side lights, you have the mood lights which are teal in color, and you have the center light. The dining area of this home is big enough to fit a table set of 8 to 10 people. And the dining area comes with 2 big windows for maximum natural light. The dining area comes with its wash basin here, and as you can see, the developer understands that quality is paramount. The living room and the dining area of this unit comes with wooden parquet floors, while the rest of the unit comes with ceramic tiles. Let me show you the kitchen. This kitchen can be accessed through 2 ways. You can access it through this opening in the dining area, or you can access it from this door that opens to the hallway that is next to the living room. Next to me, you have this wrist space that has been left for your refrigerator, and above it, you have extra storage. The pantry of this kitchen is here. This space is big enough for your dry foods, and it comes partitions for more usability. This door opens to the kitchen garden, and before I take you there, this kitchen comes with dark granite countertops all over, and you have a double sink that is next to the window for easy washing and rinsing during the day. Let me take you to the kitchen garden. This space has been set aside for the backyard, the kitchen garden, and the clotheslines area. The laundry area is here. I'll show you that later because it can be accessed from inside. From the kitchen, we are at the center of this unit, and next to me you have the common washroom. Next to it you have the laundry area, and here you have the guest bedroom. Before I show you those, you have this space that has been set aside for your shoes, and still you have an extra space under the stairs that can be used as an extra storage if need be. Let's see the common bathroom. The common bathroom is of an average size. It comes with the water closet and all other standard fittings. This is the laundry area. I told you it can be accessed from outside, but also you can access it from here. The laundry area is a big space for your washer and dryer, and it comes with 2 taps and a floor trap. Let's see the guest bedroom. Wow. This is a very big room for your guests, and it comes with its closet here and the washroom on the far end. This bedroom also comes with 2 windows. Let me show you the closet. The closet is big enough for your guests, and it comes with a space here for the hangable clothes, a space here for the foldable clothes, and 3 drawers down there. Before I show you the bathroom, we have a visitor. This bathroom is way too big than what your guest may need, unless you don't want them to go away. The bathroom comes with a shower cubicle, and you have a water closet and a wash basin. Let me take you upstairs. Let's go upstairs. This level has been reserved for the 2 kids' bedrooms, the primary bedroom, and the study or the office. This level has been separated from the ground level by this metal casement grille. I know it's for security purposes, but I don't think it's necessary. Kenya is a secure country. On to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. It's the smallest, and it comes with an L-shaped closet. Next to me, you have its bathroom. On the other side, the bedroom comes with 2 windows and a balcony. Let's see the views that you get from here. From here, you get the best views of the rest of the estate, and the Thika Sports Club is just next to it. The bathroom of this bedroom is here. The bathroom is big enough, and it comes with a wash basin, a water closet, and a shower cubicle on this end. This bathroom comes with all the basic necessities, and from here I'll take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is just next to the first one. This bedroom is slightly bigger, and it comes with a slightly bigger closet. The closet is floor to ceiling, and it comes with 2 spaces for the hangable clothes. The closet also comes with a sectioned part at the center and 3 drawers down there. From the look of things, I think that this bedroom has been reserved for the girls. There is no way a boy would stay here. No one requires such a big closet. We only have 2 boxers, 1 trouser, and 1 shirt that we can recycle. Let me show you the bathroom, and later I'll show you the balcony. On one end of this bathroom, you have a wash basin and a water closet. On this other end, you have the showering area. Let me show you the balcony. The balcony of this bedroom is also slightly bigger than the one that we found in the first bedroom. From here, you get the best views of this estate, and on the horizon, you can see the Thika Greens Golf Club. Let's get back inside. From the second bedroom, the primary bedroom is here, and next to it, you have the room that can be used as a study or an office. When this room is used as an office, it's way bigger than you require. But when it's used as a study, it may be slightly smaller if you have more than 4 kids. Let me show you the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest of all, and it comes with an L-shaped floor-to-ceiling closet, and next to it you have a dresser, and adjacent to it you have the primary bathroom. Let me show you the closet. This closet is among the biggest that we have seen in this channel, and it comes with the spaces here for the foldable clothes, spaces here and here for the hangable clothes, and this section has been reserved for the shoes. Let's see the dresser. This dresser is a small room and it comes with this space that has been reserved for your spouse to apply her makeup. This dresser comes with these two compartments for your jewelries. Let's see the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom comes with a water closet, a space that has been left for your bathtub, and a space that has been left for your shower cubicle. That's all for this bathroom. From here, I'll show you the balcony, and I'm very sure you will enjoy the views. Come with me. The balcony is the biggest and it enjoys the best views of this estate. From here, you enjoy the best sunrise and the cool breeze from the golf club is heavenly. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour and I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have 25 million to spare, an asset is always inevitable. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video and remember to subscribe. Bye.